Introduction. Tools Tracker is a software designed to control receipts and returns of tools. With this practical software, you can have all the organized and updated information about the tools, devices, or instruments under the control of each employee. You can immediately consult where the tool is, who is controlling it, and you can obtain an updated list of all the tools, devices, or instruments an employee is controlling. Tools Tracker version 1 is included in the MP program with its professional and enterprise versions. From the MP, maintenance personnel can connect to the Tools Tracker program to consult the availability of the tools before starting maintenance jobs. The first step is to create a catalog with all the tools, devices or instruments you want to control with the program. Tool code, tool description, tool unit, and tool classification. To order the catalog, just click on the header of the column you want to order. Select a tool. Click here to see the image of the selected tool. Below, you will see a practical example which shows how the program allows us to have total control over each tool. Suppose the employee Alfonso Larios goes to the tool warehouse to ask for an oscilloscope. The first thing to do is to see if we have stock in the warehouse. Select Stock and Valuation in the main menu. The search tool allows us to quickly locate the oscilloscope Alfonso Larios is asking for. Let's search the tool by description. We type the tool description. The program shows that we have 4 digital oscilloscopes in total. Three of them are in the warehouse, and one is already under the control of someone else. We can consult the details by series number. The query window shows us the series numbers and the location of each of them. When we added the oscilloscope to the catalog, we indicated that we wanted to control this device by series number. However, it is worth mentioning that control by series number is optional. Now, let's generate the control document for the oscilloscope Alfonso Larios is asking for. We select Receipts and Returns in the main menu. These are all the control documents we have generated. From this window, we can consult any of them. We click here to generate a new control document. In the combo, we select the employee who will control the tool. Optionally, we can type a reference, such as the number of the work order in which the tool is intended to be used. Select the box to mark the date in which the tool will be returned in the calendar. Select the tool. Type the quantity. The program asks us to select the series number of the oscilloscope which will be delivered to Alfonso Larios for his control. At this moment, we can generate the printed receipt and ask Alfonso Larios to sign it. This is a sample of the printed receipt. The control document has been registered with the consecutive folio number and we can consult the document at any moment. The dates marked in red indicate a delay in the delivery of the control tool. Let's go back to the stock and valuation module to see how the control movement we have just done is reflected on the stock. Now, the program shows we have 2 oscilloscopes in the warehouse and 2 in control. Let's consult the series numbers of the oscilloscopes in control and in the warehouse. In the query window, we can see that Alfonso Larios controls one of the 4 oscilloscopes. We select Stock by Employee in the main menu. This module shows the list of the tools each employee controls. Note that the digital oscilloscope appears in the list of tools Alfonso Larios controls. We could set a filter to print an account statement with the tools Alfonso Larios controls. The screen shows all the tools Alfonso Larios controls. Now, let's print the document of the tool Alfonso Larios controls. This is a sample of the printed document of the tool Alfonso Larios controls as well as the value of the tools. To finish our example, suppose that Alfonso Larios returns one of the tools he controls. Again, we select Receipts and Returns. We select the Returns tab. We click here to generate the returns document. we select the employee Alfonso Larios. The program shows the list of the tools Alfonso Larios controls. To indicate the tool he is returning, just click on the corresponding box. We can register the status in which he is returning the tool. Now, we can print the document we will issue to Alfonso Larios for the tools returned. Once the returns document is generated, the program automatically registers the tools entry in the warehouse and updates Alfonso Larios' account statement in which the tools returned will no longer appear. All movements will be registered in the History module, and you can consult the history by employee or by tool as Cardex. Let's select Alfonso Larios to see the chronological history of all the tools issued to him and all the tools he has returned. Document folio number, date, movement type, whether control or return, tool code and description, quantity, if any, series number of the tool, status in which the tool is returned. Now, let's select this tab to see the chronological history by tool. Let's select a tool. In the history by tool, we can consult who controlled the selected tool, when it was requested and when it was returned, as well as the status in which it was returned.